Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix messenger bubble not showing. So messenger bubble is basically a chat bubble on your messenger that will make your chat with the friend easy. So how you can find it if you don't show it on your messenger. So in this video I will give you a trick, different tricks you can apply. These maybe your bubble will start working. So first of all you have to click on your profile icon on the left top. Once you will do it, now you have to scroll up and you will see chat heads is turned off right now. So you have to turn it on and try to create a bubble with your friend. Okay, right now it's not showing me here. So next step is that if it's not still working, open your Play Store and you have to search for the messenger and you have to update your messenger application if it's not already updated. And if you still find this problem on your messenger, simply go to the settings and you have to search for the app manager or app and the notification from here. Okay, now you can simply you have to find the messenger application here. So I tap on it because it's my in the recents. So I tap on it, sorry, and now you can simply click on the storage and the cache from here, and you have to clear your storage and the cache and try to use the bubble head. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.